Welcome, guys, to Run Us Over Garden and Life. My name is Boyce. I'm Nina's husband. Nina can't be in the video today because she's feeling ill. She's under the weather. But that leaves me in charge. So we're about to mess some things up. Alright, so me and my wife, we went to the tractor supply store. And we found this. It's a little raised bed garden, a raised garden bed. It cost us, I think, was $49, and it's not too bad. It's pretty good. We liked it, and then we had the idea of building a stand for it, because being real low to the ground, you know, me being a veteran, and I hurt my back when I was active, so I can't really do as much. Being on my bending over so much all the time and lifting things up, but we're gonna get this together. It's all snapped together, which is great. And then we're going to build a platform to raise it up high enough so we won't have to worry about rabbits, squirrels, or even if our dogs want to go in there and try to pee in it. That's just not right. That's just disrespectful. All right. So we're going to get this together and get this done. And I'll keep you up. We're going to have all the description of the measurements that we're going to cut, the type of wood we used, and where you can get this at Tractor Supply Store. So guys, this is everything that's in the box. This is everything that came in this box here. It has 4 sides, 4 corner pieces to seal the top, 2 sides, and 2 other sides, like the short and 2 long, 2 short sides. It's all snapped together, which was super easy, and it should take no longer than 6 minutes to put everything together. It might take longer to open the box and actually put this together. You see how fast it was just to put this thing together. It's just a snap and play. It's pretty easy. It's self-explanatory. Now what we're going to do now is that we're going to build the cradle for it, the casing that holds it up so it'll be elevated. What you're going to need is 2 of these slats. Now these are, if I'm not mistaken, 1 inch by 4 inch, and we bought 12 8-foot long ones. Alright, we made 2 of them. This is my second one. We already made one. But 12 slats that are 8-foot long will be enough wood to build 2 of these. Okay. Now I had Home Depot, the big box store, cut the wood to the size I needed, and it was great. But when I got home, I realized that I didn't have a side runner in order for this to sit on. So with one of the slats, I cut in half. This will happen here. Cut this in half. So we're going to glue it here and glue the other one on the other side so this can sit on here. So like I said, the measurements we got here, this is a 1x4 by 8 foot slat that I ended up buying. And it's just basically, you know, whatever you can get. This right here is 4 foot long, so you're gonna need 3 pieces. 2 fully intact, and then you have to get the other one, the third one, cut it in half. And the leftover from usually these 2 slats will give you a 2 foot 4 inch slats left. So those are going to be the sides for here. These are going to be the sides that fit like so. Okay, I know it doesn't really make sense yet, but after I put it together, you'll see. And stay tuned, we'll get it together right now. Alright guys, now this is the frame itself that we just built, and I'll show you some little clips of it. Me building it. It's just a couple of screws put together to make a nice square rectangle. Now, this is going to fit right in there. You have to give it some love to make it fit all the way there. Just like that. Everything fell in. Now, have a skirt for it. So later on, this slat will hold this up, and we'll put some more slats here, vertical, to give it so the dirt won't fall out. And we're gonna get back to that later. And stay tuned. We'll get it done. All right, team. This is what we did. End up cutting the slats itself, these little slats. Cut them to fit inside the center of it. That way it will give support when we put a mesh over it and the garden upholstery, so that we won't lose any dirt when we put it in. And it's going to fit perfectly in there. And we're going to do something extra with it when I get done. Now I already put the slats in. I'll put 1 screw on either end, because I'm not putting 2, I'm putting 1, because we want to put another screw in it later on. And you'll see why. So this is so far so good. I also cut the legs for them. There's just some 2x6s, old 2x6s we had. We're going to cut the legs. That's going to be at the bottom of it. And we're going to get that taken care of. Alright, stay tuned. Alright guys, so I already did the sides here, and I did that one side. I'm going to show you how to do it. I did it with one by myself. So you could do it alone, you don't have to worry about having somebody help you. If you have somebody help you, it's even better. But if you don't, then that's the way you do it. So I cut a part of this leg here, I cut a little piece off to give me the distance I need. So set it in there, put the piece in there, the other piece over here, just like that. And this piece is going to sit right on top. Alright, and then we're going to screw it on. And then after you screw it on, I'm going to show you how to do it. Alright guys, so I finally screwed the last one on. See these pieces? That help support it. So we're going to get this out of the way. Going on this side, out of the way. And I know you're thinking, man, this thing's so low here. That's not how you're supposed to do it. And you're right, it's not. So what we're going to do, we're going to flip it. Flip the legs over, so this part of the legs will be on the base. And then you'll see that right now. 1 second. Alright guys, so now it's on the stand. Pretty cool, huh? When I end up putting chicken wire down here like I said I was about to do, just chicken wire, so that the garden mesh we put over here, since it's fabric, you know, it'll deteriorate after a while, but this will help it prevent it from the dirt falling through. Okay, now that we got the legs on, I'm gonna screw them. Put two screws here, and then 2 screws on top on all 4 legs. And then we'll finally put the garden bed on, and we'll show you what it looks like after that. Alright guys, so we got done here. It's all done. It's all screwed, ready to go. It is pretty light. Like I said, I put the chicken wire, prevent the dirt. I put the bottom rails on. I screwed the legs to the base, make it nice and sturdy. Now this thing is pretty sturdy, ain't going nowheres. Now what we're gonna do is put our box, prefab box that we got, inside of it. Put the lip in there, should fit fine. Of course, you might have to finagle it a little bit. Like everything else. Okay. Get that based in. Get that part in. Alright. Okay guys, that is it. It's in there. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go around and put 3 screws, 2 on the side, 1 in the middle, into the rails so that this won't come up. That way you can move everything at one time. And then on this side, I'm going to put 2 here, 2 here, and 3 here. So everything is nice and set. And then after that, put the garden mesh in, and you're ready to go. That should be everything. It's not that hard. If I did it continuously, I would get it done within, I'm gonna say about 2 hours. Get everything done. The cutting, that'll take a little long. That always takes a little longer. But once you get it cut, you start screwing everything together. It's pretty easy. All right, my peeps. Look. So that's about it for the project. We're done. All you gotta do is fill in with the dirt and plant what you gotta go. Now don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a thumbs up. You know, leave a comment saying what you liked, what you didn't like. You know, don't be too harsh. I'm new at this, and but don't forget to share with everybody. Let everybody know, hey, it's pretty simple and easy. I'm no carpenter by any means, you know, but it's fairly simple. Anybody can do it. Thanks again for watching.